A strong sales pitch is an essential tool for convincing potential customers to make a purchase. Here are a few steps you can take to prepare a sales pitch. 1. Research your prospect. Conduct research on your prospect's business, industry, and any specific challenges they may be facing. This will help you tailor your pitch to their specific needs and pain points. 2. Identify the key benefits of your product or service. Think about how your product or service can specifically solve the problems or meet the needs of your prospect. Be sure to emphasize the key benefits and features that will be most appealing to them. 3. Anticipate objections. It's common for prospects to have concerns or objections to a product or service. Be prepared to address these objections and have a strategy for overcoming them. 4. Practice your pitch. It's important to practice your pitch to ensure that you can deliver it smoothly and confidently. Consider practicing with a colleague or friend and ask for feedback on your delivery and content. 5. Tailor your pitch to the prospect. Be prepared to tailor your pitch to the individual prospect. This may involve adjusting the emphasis on certain benefits or addressing specific concerns they have. 6. Follow up. After delivering your pitch, it's important to follow up with the prospect to answer any additional questions they may have and to reiterate the key benefits of your product or service. This can help increase the chances of closing the sale. Best wishes.